Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, and we have a bunch of problems with the repair. First of all, you can see right here that's hung up. Counterweight's hung up, it's wrapped around, so the ladder's frozen. That's because it fell off the pulley. It's not the proper pulleys. They never really addressed the cantilever situation. That the pulley should have been replaced. The bracket for the pulley should have been replaced. They just put cables on, and they also just painted it. So this is a situation, it's the same as the other. There's no place to grab on the right hand side. You wiggle all over the place. Below some of the brackets to the right, you can see there's extensive mortar work that has to be done. The brackets are into brick that are falling apart. The only thing that's been done here is they replaced the cables, and that's about it, and painted it, but the other issues were never addressed. In general, that's the comments I have for all of the fire escapes. Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.